Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to withdraw and cash out your crypto from Phantom wallet to your bank account. We will cover the entire process from transferring SOL or USDC to an exchange, converting to fiat and withdrawing to your bank. So, what you need first? A Phantom wallet. A Phantom wallet is a non-custodial Solana wallet, meaning you can't withdraw fiat directly. To cash out, you need a centralized exchange that supports fiat withdrawals like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or OKX. A verified account on that exchange, KYC completed. A linked bank account for withdrawal. We will use Coinbase as an example. Go to coinbase.com and log into your account. Complete the setup, then verify your identity. Select your ID type like driver's license and follow the process like front part and back part of your ID. Step 1. Transfer your tokens from Phantom to the exchange. Open your Phantom wallet. It's look like that. Then click send. Choose the token you want to send like Solana, Sol or USDC. Go to your Coinbase or other exchange like Binance. Find your SOL or USDC deposit address under Assets or Receipt. Copy the address and paste it into Phantom. Enter the amount. Go to like Binance, then go to deposit crypto, then select Solana, then select network like Solana, then address, copy the address and paste it here. Enter the amount and confirm. Your tokens will arrive within a minute or two. Once your tokens arrive, go to the exchanges, trade or convert tab. Choose the crypto you received like SOL or USDC. Convert it to fiat currency like USD, Euro, INR, etc. On Coinbase, just hit sell, select the token and choose cash balance as the destination. Now that you have fiat in your exchange account, go to assets, then click withdraw. Now select your coin or select withdraw fiat, then select your currency like USD, Select your linked bank account, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Most exchanges support ACH for US. You can search here. SP, ACP, A for Europe, UPI for India, or wire transfer with processing times from a few minutes to 2 business days. Here are some common issues to avoid. Wrong network selected. Always choose a Solana network when sending from Phantom. Unverified exchange account. Complete your KYC. Bank mismatch. Your name must match on both Phantom or and exchange account. So be careful about it. Fees. Exchanges may charge a network fee and a withdrawal fee. So check before proceeding. Quick safety tips. Always double check wallet and exchange addresses. Use two-factor authentication on your exchange for added protection. For large amounts, do a small test transfer first. Never share your Phantom seed phrase. For two-factor for enable two-factor authentication, go to Accounts tab. Now click on Security tab and choose one like passkeys, authenticator app, email, phone number, login password. So that's it. You now know how to cash out from Phantom wallet to your bank account using a centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, etc. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which wallet or exchange you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.